So here we go, so much coffee beans as you can see this are. Oh my god, another one hiding here. Well, hi there, it's George here. In this video I will have to harvest my coffee beans from my Arabica coffee tree, and all the coffee beans are ripe and ready for harvesting. I will harvest all of them to not consume energy, the plant, and the plant have flower buds and will bloom soon, and all the energy I have to concentrate to the flower buds. So just I have to harvest and show you the coffee plant, how looking this are. Let's start. Well, here we go. It has some coffee beans. These are much more or less than compared to last year, but anyway, as you can see, two are here, another one is here, on this branch one on this branch, one here. It seems like by one coffee bean on the branch, but here are two, and as well two here, and hiding here another two coffee beans. The flower buds, we can see there will be, and there will be flowers as you can see. We'll have some coffee beans next year, like as you can see how much this year was. Anyway, so I will start harvesting. So here we go, so much coffee beans as you can see this year. Not so much like another years, but anyway. Oh my god, another one hiding here. Well, that's all. Well, if I did show you this coffee plant, let me show you the stem how it looks like in this year. A little bit more thick. Now wait for grow more this coffee plant. By the way, let me show you the second coffee tree that I have. This is more and more young and looking so healthy and people and plants and everything when are young are very very beautiful. And yeah, as you can see, and healthy. Now growing leaves on the top. No any flowers this year, but I guess next year will be. It's time already. Let me show you the stem. Quite thick already. These plants I have to propagate. Well, so looks like now. It's beautiful. I have changed the soil on this coffee tree, and as you can see, germinated some peppers and one tomato seedling. Well, I have to plant in the garden, but first I will plant them in cups and transfer in the greenhouse, then in the garden when they will be more big. That's it. I have to put my coffee plant back where is it, on its place. Well, that's it for this video. Write a comment, it means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova. I keep update on these coffee trees and on others, and I have to germinate yet from this. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.